A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter cell cycle and cell division. We are going to revise this chapter 10, cell cycle and cell division. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about how the formation of cytoplasm, cell organelle, takes place during the cell division, or which stage of cell division, or why cell get divided every time, or what happened with the nuclear content or the cytoplasmic content. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the type of division, that is mitosis or meiosis, where the cell divide to form, how the cell divide to form two cell. So there are these two division we will discuss in this chapter. Now let us discuss about the phases of cell cycle, or then we discuss about the cell division process. Cell cycle. First, in the cell cycle, cell undergoes in division, or before division, the cell present in a state. That state is known as denoted by interphase. So there, the overall cell cycle, the stages of cell divided in two phase only, the interphase or M phase. So where the cell undergoes in the formation of cell content and the formation of genetic material, DNA. So what happened during the cell cycle? The restoration of the genetic material and the cytoplasmic content, cell organ, all these takes place during the cell cycle. Now in the cell cycle there are two phases, mainly the interphase and M phase. Interphase or M phase. Cell cycle. Now in this topic, first the whole cell cycle, or the cell in which the cell exists, the phase in which the cell exists, overall divided into two stages, M phase or the interphase. Interphase, M phase and interphase. Now M phase divided into, or there are two kind of M phase, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. Here is three phases present in interphase. These phases are G1, S, G2 phase. G1, S and G2 phase. Here is S phase, G1, S and G2 phase. G1, S and G2 phase. Now, meiosis is divided into prophase 1 and 2, metaphase 1 and 2, anaphase 1 and 2, telophase 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then meiosis or in such phases are also present in meiosis, but there is no such second phase is present. So only one: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. M phase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Or so these are the also said to be, these are the topic of the chapters also, and subtopic of chapter also. So overall, whole the content of chapter divided into three these phases. Now let us discuss about the interphase. First we will discuss about the interphase, then we will discuss about the end phase. Now interphase. The cell formed by cytoplasm, cell organelle and plasma membrane. Inside the nucleus, the genetic material is also present. Genetic material is most important in the cell cycle, because for the formation of new cell, there will be present in the new cell. There will be also presence of their genetic material. For giving the genetic material to the new cell, the duplication of genetic material also takes place. During the cell division, during the cell cycle. If a cell wanted to go under the cell division process, so there will be the formation of, or there should be formation of genetic material or duplication of genetic material. So this is the overall cell cycle. Here is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Telophase, collectively known as M phase. Collectively known as M phase. So in human, the cell cycle takes place in 24 hours. Out of 24 hours, 1 hour for the M phase. Rest of the cell exists in the interphase. Present in the interphase. Now, except the M phase, all part shows the interphase. Here is interphase. So this is G1 phase, G1 S and G2 phase. G1, which is growth first phase, or G0 phase, or also said to be quiescent stage. Quiescent stage. synthesis phase. Synthesis phase. और ये is G2 और growth second phase. These are the stages of the cell cycle. These are the stages of cell cycle. In G1 phase, that is growth first phase, after the division, after the recent division of cell, the daughter cell do not have the functional enzyme, functional cell organelle. So in G1 phase, there will be preparation of functional enzyme or functional enzyme and the cell organelles. Or if the cell do not want to undergo in division phase, because most of our body cells like muscle cells, brain cells or neuron do not undergoes in the division. So they transfer or they exist in the G0 phase. G0 phase is the quiescent stage where cell has decided that it will not be undergoes in the further division phase. So these cells like muscle cells and the neuron cell do not undergoes in the division or exist in the G0 phase, present in the G0 phase. Now whenever the cell, because our skin cell which undergoes continuous division, so these type of cells never undergoes into G0 or quiescent stage. So this is the process of overall the cell cycle, where the cell that decision on the cell that it will go into G0 or into G0 phase or not. Now, if the cell want to undergoes in synthesis phase or division phase, there will be always possibility of formation of DNA molecule, formation of DNA content or genetic material. Just duplication of DNA content takes place into the S phase. If the cell want to divide or the cell decided that they will undergoes in the division and form two daughter cell whenever they need. So they always undergoes in the S phase of interphase, because in the S phase there will be the replication of DNA takes place, or through the replication of DNA the cell gets double their genetic material, duplicate their genetic material. So it is important to duplicate genetic material, because the cell have to transfer their genetic material into the daughter cell, or without genetic material, without DNA, the cell are not able to perform their function. Because of this reason, the cell decided to undergoes in the synthesis phase whenever they decided to undergoes in the division. So the enzymes which are required in synthesis phase always prepared in the G1 phase. So that's why the growth first is known as the G1 or growth first phase, because of the synthesis of the enzymes, synthesis of the cell organelle, and the functionality of the cell always decided in G1 phase. So because of this reason. Now second is the third phase is the of interphase is G2 phase or growth phase. Whatever there is need for the enzyme, protein substances required in the M phase, again prepare in the Z2 phase. So when the cell and transfer in the second, so always second phase, so always the cell will form their enzyme or enzyme that are wanted prepare in the S phase, not in the particular phase, G2 phase. So now first we discuss about the G1 phase. In the G1 phase, the growth of cytoplasm or content of cytoplasm increase, or that is preparation of enzyme that are needed for the S phase for duplication, or also said to be replication of DNA or genetic material. Second is, and third is, if the cell do not want to undergo in division phase, so it is directly transferred into the G0 phase. G0 phase. A rest phase of G1 phase. A quiescent stage of G1 phase, where the cell has decided it will not transfer into the division phase. Now next is the S phase, synthesis phase. S phase. The synthesis phase occurs in a cell interface for the synthesis of DNA or DNA replication. If a cell exists or contains, but there is no change in the number of chromosomes, so the number of chromosomes always maintained in the S phase. Always maintained in the S phase. If DNA present in from 2C, that means contain. If previously the DNA content is 2C, so it will become from 2C to 4C. Content of DNA. Next is chromosome number remains same, but the chromosomes number remain same. If there are two number of chromosomes in G1 phase, so in G2 phase, in S phase or G2 phase, the chromosome number will always be 2 in number. It will never change in S phase there will be never change in the number of chromosome, always change the content of DNA, duplicate the content of DNA, not the number of chromosomes. Now in the synthesis process, so this is the process, all the enzymes are already synthesized in the G1 phase, now in G2 phase. Next is G2 phase. G2 phase. G2 phase is growth second phase, where or G2 phase comes after the synthesis phase, where the synthesis of enzyme and protein takes place, that is required in the M phase. So the proteins and enzyme which is required in M phase synthesized in the G2 phase. Proteins and enzymes required in M phase prepare required in M phase prepared in G2 phase. G2 phase. So this is the overall process of or the function of the interphase, where the interphase divided into three phases: G1 as G0 phase. Quiescent stage is also a part of G1 phase, where the cell has decided that it will not transfer into it will not undergoes into the division phase. So always transfer into the arrest phase, where cell cycle of the cell arrested, but the the functioning of the cell is not affected by this phase, because of only the cell division is absent, but they perform their function, overall function, like neuron cells or muscle cells. If the function of muscles are contraction, so in G0 phase it will contract, it will do their function, the cell will do their function, but do not undergoes in the division phase. Like nerve cell also do the same. Now second phase is S phase or synthesis phase, where the replication or duplication of DNA takes place. Only the content of genetic material will change, not the chromosome number. Content of DNA will change, not the chromosome number. So always from 2C to become 4C, but not in the, if the chromosome number genetic material is deployed, so organism will always be deployed in G1 S phase, G1 and S phase. So their ploidy will not change during the cell exists in the S phase or G2 phase. So this is the process of G2 and S phase, where the chromosome number still remains constant, or genetic material content, the content of genetic material or content of DNA become just double or duplicated in the S phase, where the synthesis of DNA takes place and the replication of DNA takes place. Now G2 phase comes after the S phase, where the synthesis of all protein or enzyme required in the N phase, or proteins or enzyme required for the spindle fiber formation, or enzyme required for the splitting of DNA, separase like separase enzymes synthesized in the G2 phase. So all such enzymes which are required, or the protein which are required in the M phase, is already synthesized in the G2 phase. Synthesized in the G2 phase for the further division of the cell. Now in next class we will discuss about the M phase. In the M phase, the M phase divided into the four phases, prophase, metaphase and anaphase or telophase. So these are the stages of the M phase or mitosis phase. In next class we will discuss about the M phase. I hope you like this video, student, and thank you for listening and watching.